Can you see yourself speaking English confidently whenever you need to? Hello and welcome. I'm Christo, and coming from a journalism career, I'm an all-rounder ready to help you achieve your English goals. Do you want to improve your business English? Do you want to discuss current events, sports news? I'm your go-to person. We can also talk about nature, the environment, and traveling. I would love to enable you to help yourself in English whenever visiting a foreign country. Are you part of a family? I'm a father of two adult sons and a proud grandfather. I'm currently raising my nearly 4 years old granddaughter, so any discussions on parenting topics would also be very welcome. I have experience in teaching and training the whole range of students. On the one hand, I taught school children to produce their own school newspapers, and on the other hand, I'm involved in training volunteers who want to do duty in South Africa's national parks. Do you struggle with confidence when you need to speak English? I'm a kind and patient person, and I would never ever judge you on your English speaking abilities. I also speak German and Dutch, so I understand the challenges when you learn a new language. I would like to personalize your classes and make it really fun and interesting to you. So we can really talk about topics that are of interest to you and that are helpful to you. Please book a trial lesson that we can discuss your needs. I would love to be part of your English journey. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.